So here we are in Callander car park, starting our trip to Killin. I've got a Kevin who has decided to get dressed in the same manner as me.
We are a cycling team at this point.
Yeah. So he's got his bike set up. What kind of bike do you have, Kevin?
This is a surly football in the very fetching eggplant colour, they call it, aka purple.
It's looking really nice.
Slightly modified.
And here's my piece of crap that has just had bits bolted onto it.
It's a bike, it'll do. You don't need to spend a massive amount of money on a bike.
No, I mean the handlebars that you give me are so much nicer because I'm like a bigger, wider guy.
Yeah.
With my shoulders, it's so much better. And the pillion bags that you gave me are good. I also upgraded to discs because I got new wheels. And the only thing that didn't arrive in time was my stand, which was a bit annoying. As you can see, I've got to like lean it against stuff. I've got my GoPro mounted on the front, so we'll see how well that works. I've got my battery bank and other such bits and bobs in there. I've got my gimbal. Kevin has very kindly 3D printed me a mount for my GoPro to go onto my gimbal, so I'm going to try that later. I don't know if that came into focus or not. And other bits of quad lock goodness, which I will go put in my car. But it looks
It's a good day.
yeah. So what bar have you got for me you think I can eat?
That one.
Oh, let's have a look.
I'll get one from you as well, I'm still hungry. There we go.
Yes.
Finest little food.
Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So how are you finding the trail so far?
The trail is good. Too many cars for that bit. That was unusual.
Yeah, the last time I did it, there wasn't many cars at that point. So, but from now, because we're just over halfway to Killin, we've got Lochern Head, the viaducts, bit of forestry, downhill bit, and then into Killin, where we can stop by the waterfall. Well, I say waterfall, I mean rapids. Put our bikes on the side and have our lunch there. Find somewhere and grab coffee.
Coffee would be nice.
No worries. Yeah. So, how are we doing, Kevin?
Yay! I've only just injured myself.
And how did you fall off your bike?
Well, because I've got pedal straps on, I took one foot out and then went the other way. And then landed on this stuff and grazed my leg and possibly twisted my knee and or ankle. Not sure yet. The pain stopped, so that's good.
So, despite Kevin's best attempts to kill himself, we've made it to Killin.
We're halfway.
So, what do you think so far?
I think I'm going to sleep well tonight. Oh, I'm going to be in pain tomorrow, I know that much.
Should hopefully, we're going to have a break for about half an hour, so we should hopefully get that all sorted out.
I'm surprised I haven't scuffed my elbow up.
So
when I came off the bike, my shifter was a bit cocked over, and I've noticed that it's not exactly the most sort of stable thing in the world. That pin's moved out.
oh, that's not good.
No, it's supposed to be more kind of there.
Oh, let me try and get that. Where about here?
Yeah, see where that's kind
Yeah.
of not in there is the problem.
Ah. Can you push it in?
That's what I'm going to try. Just getting the... Oh, there we go.
Oh, nice. Oh, that looks like it's working better now.
Yeah. Minor paint damage, but excellent. Happy days.
Yeah, because my issue has been my front caliper. In fact, you can tell when we fixed it, there's so much more brake dust now.
Right.
So
the brakes are actually working.
yeah, so the brakes are actually working properly now and actually gripping properly. The rears could probably do with adjustment, but
Yeah, the same sort of idea needs to be done to the rear.
that's fine. But yeah, basically started having a bit of an issue with the caliper, like shaking a bit. It didn't make much sense, but yeah, pulled over, tightened it all up, and it's working well. And just gonna refill some water bottles up with some isotonic juice. But yeah, everything's been working quite well for us so far, apart from
Me being a clown.
but the bike's fine, that's the main thing.
As far as I can tell, yeah, the bike's fine.
Because you've dropped it twice today, haven't you?
Yes.
One with you on it and one where it just fell off these rocks.
Yes, it fell because it's not exactly the most stable position here.
But no. What do you think of the area?
It's a nice area.
Nice place for me to pull us over.
Yeah.
But the problem is now is maybe, oh, there's the inn up there. And there's wee paths down there. We came down the path there to get down here.
Path down the hill.
My GoPro setup for doing a wee time lapse is here. Just plugged into the side. And do you need any medical attention?
Not anything wounded crying.
I just can't get over how nice a day it is, you know? Lovely day.